In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own business logo using the free templates on Canva. If you are looking forward to starting up a business but you do not know how to go about creating a business logo for your brand, then this video is for you. Hi besties and welcome back to my channel. This is another business talk with Tonia. Please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, comment and share this video because somebody somewhere will be needing this video. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. In my last video, I talked about 9 businesses you could start up without capital. And in those businesses, you'll be needing logos and graphics to promote your brand. Here in this video, I'll be giving you step-by-step process to which you can create your own logo using the free templates on Canva.
So first thing you need to do is to download Canva in your phone. If you don't have Canva, download it and sign up to it. So now I've opened the app. Then there are so many graphics and logo templates already designed by Canva. So the next thing we'll do now is to search for what we want to edit, search for the logo that we want to, and then I'm searching on clothing brand. It's just an example. So and then these are templates on that are already designed by Canva already. So I clicked on one that I think I liked. So let's edit this. So the first, you see that the thing is already fine, right? So you just need to do is just to change the name and then do some touch up. So the first thing I did was click on the write up image. You clear it from the clear button, then you edit it to whatever name you want to. So I edited mine to Tonia's Stitches. Do you get? I edited mine to Tonia's Stitches. Then click on the down part to edit it. Please don't forget, any write up you see there, you click on it to edit it. Then I edited mine now, and I edited it to best fashion brand. So when editing your write-ups, you can use any catchy write-up of your choice. Just make sure that any write-up you're using is catchy. Do you understand? Because you're creating a logo. This is what people will see before they see your graphics. Then the next thing I proceeded to doing was seeing if I could change the background of the image to any other thing better. But while I was doing this, I noticed it was not fine, so I left it by turning it back to the white. I used brown, black and blah blah blah. So I turned it back to white, and then I want to edit the write-up to see the one that will be finer. So I tried using black now, and then I tried using white to see if I can go back and change the body to black. Now I want to see if I can change it to black to see what it will look like. See, it was not fine. Do you get? So I put it back to white and then went back to the right top and changed everything back to the brown that it was. So now I want to see if I can add some flowers. I clicked on the element and then searched for flowers. And here are so many types of flowers. So I try to check for the ones that I feel will fit into my logo to see if it's going to look better than how it was plain. And then I picked this black, and yes, I picked this one. I try to fit into it to where I feel it will be better. So I finally took it to the edge. Then I did the same thing for all 4 corners to see how it will look like, if it will be fine or if I should just leave it plain the way it was before we started adding the flowers to it. And here is it. Please note that once you click on that element and then you try to get the remaining flowers, it will still be there. You don't need to scroll to start looking for where they are. So here I was trying to fit in this part of it because this one seems a little bit difficult. I don't know why, but I finally fit into it. These things are not hard. Once you play around with it, you surely get something good. Even if you don't want to add any extra element to it, you can just decide to leave it plain. So I was done, and then I clicked on the arrow up and then click on download, and then it's automatically downloaded to my gallery. So please, once you pop up this thing, clear it, then the download would close up, and we are done. So I wanted to also save up the plain one, so I cleared all the flowers I added. I cleared them, click on it, and then I click on delete. I clicked on delete, and then I save up this one again. Click on the arrow and then you download it. So we have our clothing brand logo saved, and let's see if we can do another logo. We'll do two more logos and then we'll call it a day. So this time around, I liked this logo. I liked this other one, so I tried to get another type entirely. So I clicked on this Zara logo and I clicked on it. So I just edited only the Zara. I changed it to Tonia. Yes. So this on its own is a logo. This is showing your name, your brand and everything. I changed this one to fashion brand and save up immediately. I didn't even waste time because I already liked the outcome. You see, it's that simple. If you don't want to do any touch up, just save up once you edit. And then the third one, I went back to home to search for a different thing entirely. So we're going to be doing cleaning service. You know, I also talked about cleaning service. We'll be doing cleaning service logo, and we'll look for something that will suit what we can do. So I clicked on this black one and edited exactly the same way we edited the first time. I clicked on the name, click on the name, and you edit. So I just changed this one to T and G. T and G. I did not touch the cleaning service because it's already what I wanted. So what I did was I only changed the name, after which I changed the front too. So I clicked on the image the way I touched it the first time, and then it brought out color. You click on color, and then I clicked on white because I wanted white for them. So the next thing I proceeded to do was the cleaning service. I clicked on the front. I used the arrow to indicate it, then choose the front of my choice. So I played around with them to see the one that was best for the logo, and then this thick one was best for the logo because I already had a lighter name on top, so I used the thick one. After which I clicked on the elements, search for cleaning service because I wanted to change the the logo on it, on the picture, the one it came with. So I clicked on this woman that was with broom. Then I was trying to fit into what would be better for my logo that I'm creating, right? So here is me trying to fit it in. I'm just looking for where is best. So finally I felt it was better. Then I deleted this one, adjusted it, and you just click on it and draw it. You adjust it to where you feel it will be much better, where suits your logo. So this is me trying to adjust it. All you just need to do is to click on the right top and you adjust it to wherever suits your image. So click on the element, the image you added. Please, if you want to add this thing, for everything I added, I showed an arrow so you know where to click on for it to be easier. So, and then now I have adjusted it to, this is how I feel is best for me. And the next thing I proceeded to doing was saving the image. Although I tried doing another fitting, but it didn't suit me, so I took it back to where it was. So I saved the, click on the arrow on top like I showed in the first video, and then you click on download, and it has downloaded into your gallery straight up. So I wanted to see if I could change the background to white and have two logos from this. So I clicked on it, I turned it to white, click on the image, the write up rather, and change it to black because we can't have white and white, the write up will not show. So here is me trying to change it to white, and voila, we have another logo. And then I clicked on the image to adjust it. So I adjusted it and I felt it was better like this. So I clicked on the arrow to save, clicked on download, and then I downloaded it directly to my gallery. So we have two logos from one template. You can use any one that suits you. So I went to my gallery to show you what I have downloaded. So this is the last one we just did now, followed by this one, then the tonia, and the this one tonia stitches, and the one we had flowers, although this is the one I don't like inside all of them. So thank you guys for watching. Please do well to subscribe and share. Mwah.